This is our first time using our new high temperature silicone trays for baking. These trays have a metal ring that's around the edge so that you can handle them well so they stay firm, but yet they're made out of soft silicone flexible rubber that is high temperature. And it looks like it's coming out good.
Ready. Our apple pumpkin bread is ready. And I made a loaf and also muffins. And they look pretty good. We'll see how they taste. Looks yummy.
So one of the advantages of this new silicone cookware, it is this easy to get the bread out of the pan. Can you believe it? Check that out.
Yeah.
No stick, high temperature, rubber silicone, unbelievable. Now I'm liking that, guys. So when you're looking at silicone cookware, make sure you get the one that has the metal internally. That way it is very rigid, but yet it's flexible. I like it.